So I hope you're doing well and dealing with this heat, drinking water, staying hydrated, then exercise. These all are different methods by which you can do some manage this heat effectively. But in yoga also there are some methods that will help you to manage this heat, the effect of temperature, the climate on your body in an effective manner. So, out of the many, I'm going to tell you about Seetkari Pranayama. This particular pranayama has a cooling effect on the body. And just after practicing of maybe 2 to 3 minutes, 3 4 minutes, you will see the feel the effect of this particular pranayama. So, how to do this? So, you can simply adopt any meditative posture, swastikasana, siddhasana, or just sit cross-legged. If you cannot sit down, then you can do it on chair as well, no issues. So, for doing this, adopt a comfortable posture. That is first thing. But don't do it in a moving atmosphere like on a train or a bus, car. You should do it in a safe atmosphere, right? In your home you can do, even in office sitting on chair you can do it, no issues, but safe environment. So next thing is you're comfortable with the posture, sitting in a comfortable meditative posture, any posture, or sitting on a chair. Then second thing, close your eyes and press the teeth, upper teeth, lower teeth against each other, and then breathe in through the spaces that is between your teeth. Breathe in like this, keep your eyes closed, and yeah, with your hands adopt chin mudra and place it on your knees. Let the train go. Yeah, okay, then you are in a comfortable posture and eyes closed, chin mudra, and then open your lips as wide as possible and press the teeth against each other. Breathe in through the space in between them. Breathe in slowly, inhale slowly through the space between the teeth. And at the end, you can close your mouth and exhale through the nose. Exhale slowly through the nose and inhale slowly through the spaces between your teeth. And if you are comfortable with pranayama, then you can also hold your breath after inhaling like this. Hold your breath as long as you are comfortable, then exhale gently with nose. Make sure you are comfortable throughout the process, and don't do it during winter unless you are under guidance or training of some expert. So this is Seetkari Pranayama. Practice it maybe to begin with 3 minutes, and then practice morning, evening. You'll see the effect it has on your body. So this will help you. So do let me know in the comments how you felt after practicing Seetkari Pranayama. Thank you for watching the video.